Question number 1. Let's divide x squared minus 5x plus 7 by x minus 1 using long division. Everyone's favorite way of dividing polynomials. So here I'm going to put the x squared minus 5x plus 7, and over here I'll plug in the x minus 1. So what is my first step? The first step will be to divide x squared by x, always the first term here, or the first term there, and x squared divided by x is just x, so put an x up top over here. What is my next step? Well, now that I have this, I will multiply x by x to put it underneath. And x times x is, surprise, surprise, x squared. Then I will also multiply x by minus 1, and we'll get minus 1x, or just minus x. Then we have no longer anything over here to multiply the x by, so at this point we can just take away x squared minus x from x squared minus 5x. Note that the 7 is just waiting there. And it's nice to put this in parentheses and just the minus outside so that we don't mix anything up with whatever is inside. So x squared minus x squared is just 0. Now minus 5x minus negative x will be minus 4x. How come? Because minus a negative makes a plus, so negative 5x plus x is negative 4x. I suggest that you don't actually make a plus sign here. A lot of students do this, but that's just going to be confusing if you need to go back and you made a mistake and you makes things messy. So it's nice to just leave it nice and clean. Don't change it. Hopefully it will work out for you. Next step will be to bring down the 7. And at this point, we just want to figure out whatever goes over here again. So to do that, we're going to take the first term over here and divide it by the first term over there. Negative 4x divided by x is just minus 4. So minus 4 times x. Now once we figure out whatever this term is, we're back at multiplying it by everything over here. So minus 4 times x, minus 4x. Minus 4 times minus 1 plus 4. Fantastic. Now we can just subtract them. Negative 4x minus negative 4x is just 0, because minus and minus makes a plus. And minus 4x plus 4x is just 0. Then 7 minus positive 4 is just 7 minus 4, which is 3. And that's it. We're done. This is our remainder. And if we wanted to write down the division statement, it would look like this. We have x squared minus 5x plus 7 equals x minus 4 times x minus 1 plus the remainder, which is 3. And you can actually work this out. You can FOIL this, add the 3, and you'll see that you will get just what we have over here. That's it.